Binova presents Spartan Maker Machine. Here we show you how to use it. First, you need to set up the main body. Step 1. Turn the two bolts to the base plane with washer to fasten the main body. Step 2. Assemble the stick and the grip to the main body. Step 3. Put the upper mold to the main body socket. Please note that a small pin on the upper mold should be in the bridge. Step 4. Slide in the base mold to the groove. Hold the upper mold in high position with hand and slide the base mold to locate the upper mold in the middle of the base mold. Step 5. Put a 2-position pin into this hole in both sides. Secondly, you need to use the circle cutter to make some pretty paper for the badge. Adjust the cutter to the edge of round planes and fix it. Press the axis of round plane and turn around the cutter. Last, after all the preparation above, you can start to make a badge now. Step 1. Set the badge outer first. Step 2. Set out the paper. Step 3. Set up the film. Slide to right below the upper mold and then press mold down. Step 4. Set out the badge inner and side faces up. Slide to right below the upper mold and then press mold down. Here we go, a cell-made badge. Due to the different product specifications in the market, we recommend you using Binova branded machine and its accessories. If you need any assistance, please feel free to contact Binova customer service at any time.